we are going to explode this egg in the microwave.
Darian and Shane. All right.
Okay, I think
The microwave's right there, Shane.
We might need a big pot.
Put it in. All right. How long? Just lay it down. How long?
Put it in for 3 minutes. I forget when last time I did this. Start.
Gonna break the glass with your die, Shane.
No, we've already done this in this microwave.
It's gonna be a little boring, but
We can amuse you.
no. What if the egg explodes?
Oh yeah. We can talk.
Alright, so hope this doesn't kill us.
I've done it before.
Whatever.
When the microwave was over there.
Anyway, let's hope this baby explodes.
Yeah. And this is not 7 minutes long.
Yeah. It's gonna take like 20 minutes to upload or so. We're at 105 seconds.
The egg is still in there.
Oh, wait, oh, what was that?
Oh.
It's gonna explode. Okay, we're hitting 1 minute and 20 seconds. Oh, it's cracking. It's gonna pop. Right, we're hitting 1 minute and 5 seconds. Woo!
Yeah.
Alright, turn it off, Shane. Now, that is your egg.
Okay, now let's just wait for it to cool down and clean it up.
And we will upload this.
Yep.
Alright. And then next week and might do something else. Bye.